found it very strange that the minister justified the actions of the National Investigation Bureau. Clearly, there is collusion between the government and the High Court, Koforidua, to use their own set of laws in our country. How can the minister tell us that the court order could be enforced by the National Security Coordinator's rep in Eastern Region, and the rep, upon receipt of the so-called court order, also forwarded it to the National Investigation Bureau? With the greatest respect, that is not how our laws work. When there is a court order, it is for the registrar to assign a bailiff for the purposes of enforcing the order. This was a situation where the Supreme Court had already frozen the enforcement of that order. So for a week after the ruling of the court, to hear that now state security operatives were harassing the member of parliament in his constituency, but for the intervention of his constituents, they were armed with pickup vehicles, and in fact they actually pulled weapon, a pistol, on the MP, trying to threaten him, to force him into the pickup. I think that the NDC government must know that this country is a country of rule of law. And I can assure the government that today a question will be filed for the Attorney General to come and answer the circumstances leading to the judiciary in Eastern Region, the High Court in Eastern Region, colluding with the National Security Coordinator, and for that matter, the NIB, to attempt enforcing an order, which order the higher court, the Supreme Court, had already placed on ice. And where in this country have we ever witnessed such a thing? And for the first time, the minister was justifying that it was right, because when a state security official becomes aware of a court order, it is within that state security official's right and mandate to enforce a court order. I've never heard this before, and we are not going to rest on this matter.